pink water. Pink water. Anyways, welcome back to another Gorilla Tag video. Today we're checking out the Forest Volcano update. So, yeah. Don't ask why I was on beach. Just because I noticed there was a glitch. So, here's the volcano. Where's my little baby volcano? Sorry. But, if you've seen other people's videos, this thing rises, but I think I need like a lot of speed to do this. I probably would be faster if I had the rock monkey, but I'm not doing that because, yeah. So if you guys want to see me do like the floor is lava with some friends, let me know. I could probably do a collab with 9. Hey, 09, if you're watching this right now, hit me up. Sorry, friend, YouTube friend. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to do that, but I won't be able to show. I'm not gonna really edit that much. I might like shorten the video, but let's just go ahead, check out the cosmetics, and then go ahead and see how people like the update. So let's check out the cosmetics, shall we? Let's see. So I've already equipped some of these because I wanted to check them out before you guys. Sorry, but I can tell you that one of these will be that. You want to know which one? Yeah, it's the free one. Yeah, yes. Yes, I did it. Boom, I got it. We all know why I'm gonna have to put on this new fit. Let's go! New fit, boys! New fit! I said new fit! Anyways, Titan cameraman hammer. I found it and I upgraded it totally. Now, girl, I did. Excuse me. Wait. Oh, that's neat. That's cool. I didn't notice that before. Alright, we got the bird. Ooh, food. I'll eat the seeds. I like how they added just some gorilla. Yeah, they really. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this is that. And obviously, you've ever seen this. Then there's going to be a lot of people using this. I just noticed. 1 wing challenge. Okay. You shall bar. Okay. And then we got this. I can't use it because of my arm. But this is cool. And we got the mug. I'm burning right now. Alright. And then we got this. Doesn't really look interesting. Then we got this. How is this supposed to deflect rain when it's just going to turn into an obsidian? We don't talk about that. Hat? Nice. But we're sticking with the top hat. We all know that. Oh, for now. So, this other stuff, I don't have time. But let's go and see other people's reactions to the update. Or, I guess see how people like the update. I can most definitely say that I'm going to go into a casual lobby. Alright. So they're probably gonna have that. You see, just like that. Hey yo, guys! Brad, come here. Oh, this could be some shit. Hey yo, everyone! Everyone, how do you like the update? Do you like the update? Hey, yo, Mushroom Hat. Do you like the update? Okay, nice. Pink Hat. Pink Hat. Do you like the update?
It says bags.
Do you like the update?
No, it sucks ass.
Monger. Come here, you little monkey. Come here. Run, rabbit, run. Bro, sounds like Goofy. Gorge, Pink Hat. I'm gonna eat your goddamn soul. Now, does the update suck now, Pink? Suck on these What
the hell?
Green, do you like the update? Green, do you like the update?
What the? What's
Green, do you like the update? Green.
Yeah, I like the update.
Good job, mate. Black, what about you? Do you like the update? Black, do you like the update? You like it?
Yeah. Yes.
Yellow, what about you? Yellow, do you like the update? Yellow, do you like the update?
What the hell? How do I get out of here?
It seems like people really like this update, so that's a conclusion for this video. The update is cool. No, back to school one is also the best one. Wanna know why? Nerd emoji face. Anyway, let's go back into our code. So, seems like the lava's still here. Glitch. Hey yo! I'm gonna go to and see people's reactions in the city, and then oh yo, Cyan!
Who's this?
Cyan! Oh yo, everybody! Look on top of the mirror. Do you guys like the update?
Yes.
Good job, Black. Get out of here. My 8 fans will go after you, and they will beat your ass.
Oh, you only have 8 fans.
Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. I'll see y'all in the next video. Good.